Hello everyone. In the last video lecture, we have seen about trees. In this video lecture, we will see binary tree. So, what is binary tree? A binary tree are the trees in which each node can have at most two children. At most two children. That is maximum number of children can be two. Okay. That is a node can have 0, 1 or 2 children. Okay, let's see over here. It is a root node. And how many child it has? 0. So is it a binary tree? Yes, it is. As I told that in a binary tree, the maximum number of child is 2. And in this, there is 0 child. So it is also a binary tree. Coming to this is a root node and this is a child and this is child. So we can say that it is a subtree. It is another subtree. It has two subtrees, which is possible. So it is also a binary tree. Over here, this is a root node and it has one subtree. Is it possible? Yes, it is also possible. Here, this is a root node and it also has only one children. So it is also possible. Look at this. Is it possible? It is a binary tree or not? Let's check. This is a root node. This N1 is a root node and it has two subtrees. One is this one and another is this one. Okay. Now it is a binary tree. Now consider this root. Okay. Consider this as a root. Now it is a binary tree or not? How can we check? It has only one subtree. So it is also a binary tree. Coming to this, it also has one. So these all are binary trees. So it is also a binary tree. Okay. Okay. Take another example. Is this a binary tree? Let it name it N2, N2, N3, N4, N5, N6. Now, is it a binary tree? By seeing only we can say no, it is not a binary tree. Because it has 3 children, which is not possible. Maximum number of children can be only 2. 0, 1 and 2. Not only 2, sorry. Okay. Next, we will study about strict binary tree. Okay, what is a strict binary tree? In a strict binary tree, each node can have 2 or 0 children. It cannot have 1 children. It can have 2 or 0 children. So consider this. It is a root node and it has 0 children. So is it a strict binary tree? Yes, because in the definition itself it has told. Okay. Next is this one. N1. It is a root node and it has 2 children. Okay, so it is also a binary tree. Coming to this is a root node. It has 2 subtrees, this one and another is this. Okay, so it is also if we will talk about this node, it is a strict binary tree. Coming to this node. Okay, for this node, is it? Yes, it is, because it also have only 2 subtrees and it is a leaf node. These are the leaf nodes. Leaf node, that is, it has 0 trees or 0 subtrees. Okay, 0 number of childs. So it is also possible. So it is also a binary tree. Okay. Now we will study about levels. What is level? What are the maximum number of nodes in each level? How can we decide? Okay. So the first node is level 0. The another part is level 1. The next is level 2 and so on. Okay. So first, how many nodes will be there in each level? We will decide. For example, in level I, the maximum number of node will be 2 to the power I. Okay. So what will be the maximum number of nodes in level 0? That is 2 to the power 0. That is 1. Okay. In level 1, what will be the maximum number of nodes? 2 to the power 1. That is 2. In this level 0, see, we have only one node. In level 2, we can see that we have 2 nodes. Okay. In level 2, 2 to the power 2. That is 4. So we have 4 nodes. In level 3, 2 to the power 3. It's 8. So we also have 8 nodes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 nodes. Okay. Remember this is very important. Now we will see complete binary tree. What is complete binary tree? a binary tree in which every level except the last level is completely filled and all the nodes are left justified. Okay, so this is level 1, this is level 2 and level 3. What the definition says, that the last level is except the last level is completely filled and all the nodes are left justified. It said that all the level must be completely filled except the last level. Okay, so it is the first level. Is this completely filled? Yes. What about this? It is also. It is not completely filled, which is accepted over here. And is it left justified? Yes. All the nodes are in the left. Okay. Suppose we will draw this. Is it a complete binary tree? Then no, it is not, because the nodes are not left justified. These are right justified. Okay. Next we will study about perfect binary tree. A perfect binary tree is a binary tree in which all the internal nodes have two children and all the leaf nodes are at same level. That is, all the internal nodes have two children. These are the internal nodes and they have two children. Look, they have, and each level are completely filled and all the leaves are at same level. All the leaves are at same level. They are at the same level. That is a perfect binary tree. Is this a perfect binary tree? No, it is not. Why? Because last level is not completely filled. That's why. Okay. Thank you. And if you find that this video is helpful, then please do like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.